This one tool that Instagram launched is helping businesses, according to Instagram, boost their sales by up to 33% cheaper using Meta ads. So for those of you who've been watching this YouTube channel for a while, you will know that in order to run effective Instagram and Facebook ads, you need to be using the Meta Ads Manager. And I'll leave some links in the description down below to videos where I speak about Meta ads. But I wanted to speak about one particular tool that is an AI tool that Meta have released and dropped for a while now. And some of the results that people are getting with that, according to Meta, according to Instagram, these are actual results people are getting. And I want to speak about how you can utilize it as well to drive more leads and more sales to your business. So the tool I'm speaking about is the Advantage Plus audience tool in Facebook. And as you can see, Facebook are actually telling us that you can get up to 30% lower cost per result when you use this AI-driven Advantage Plus audience tool. So what does it mean by up to 33% lower cost per result? So a lot of people ask the wrong question when they're trying to run ads on Instagram or Facebook. What they usually ask is, how much does it cost to run ads on Facebook? And what Meta is telling us here is that whatever it's costing you at the moment, it will cost you 33% less when you use this AI tool, which means you can make more money on Instagram and Facebook ads without having to spend more money. Actually, you're spending less money to get a new customer. So let's see what else Instagram have had to say about Meta Advantage Plus audiences. So they are saying that people have seen 13% lower medium cost per product catalog sales. So for those of you who have products on Shopify, or you have some sort of e-commerce business and you upload your products to Meta ads so that you can promote those on Instagram and Facebook, people who use Meta Advantage Plus, apparently Facebook are saying that they're getting 13% lower cost per product sales. So it's costing them less money to get a new person purchasing from their products. Also, these people have seen 7% lower medium cost per website conversions. You should know about the importance of email marketing if you've been following this channel for a while. If you are trying to build your email list using Instagram and Facebook ads, then basically Facebook is telling us that it will cost you 7% less when you use this AI tool that they have rolled out. So let me show you how you can use this Audience Plus AI feature within Facebook to get all of these juicy results that I've been speaking about. So here is the Facebook Ads Manager, and for those of you who have watched some of my Facebook ads tutorials, you already know what this is. Maybe you've run some ads already. For those of you who haven't, I'll leave a link to my tutorial in the description down below so you can start running your ads in the Facebook Ads Manager, and your ads will be seen on Instagram and Facebook, and you can make use of this AI feature. So essentially, when you get to the stage when you're selecting your audience, the old audience control, so it allows me to switch back to the original audience control options here. And this will essentially normally allow you to tell Facebook who your audience is, so that Facebook can actually use those parameters that you set to show your advertisements to the people you want to show it to. But with this new Advantage Plus audience, it says here that our ad technology automatically finds your audience. So what you could do is you can give it some suggestions and say, hey, Facebook, I know that my audience are usually between this particular age. Maybe you even have a custom audience. So you might have your email list that you've already provided to Facebook, and you might have an existing audience in terms of a Facebook page or an Instagram account that has, some of your ideal customers following you. You might give that to Facebook and say, look, use this custom audience and use this particular age, use this particular gender. Maybe if you know your customers are a particular gender, and you can also select your demographics, interests, and behaviors. So here you can give Facebook an indication of the type of people you believe are interested in buying your products. But because you've chosen this Advantage Plus audience selection here, what Facebook will do is they will go slightly out of the audience that you have chosen, because Facebook know that there might be people who are interested in buying your product or becoming a lead for your business that might not be in the kind of narrow demographics that we give to Facebook. So when we choose or select this Advantage Plus audience here, we're basically saying to Facebook, look, this is our audience that we believe are most likely to buy. And then Facebook will say, okay, cool, we're going to show your ad to these people, but also we're going to show your ad to people who we believe, based upon their history on Facebook and Instagram, might also want to buy your product. And that process might take a little while because Facebook ads will go through a learning phase where Facebook are trying to determine who is buying your product on Facebook and Instagram, and they will use that data over time to show your ad to the best people possible. So if you are not running advertisements on Instagram or Facebook at the moment, but you believe your target customers for your business might be on there, then it's definitely worth creating some Facebook ads that get shown on Facebook and Instagram and taking advantage of this Advantage Plus audience feature. Let Facebook know, who you believe your target audience is. But then when you're using this Advantage Plus, it will also try and select and find people that might be slightly outside of that bracket, and maybe people who you didn't even know were interested in the type of products that you are selling. And over time, once you have run your ad for a little while, Facebook will start to determine who is buying your product or who is leaving their name and email address and becoming a lead for your business, which will result in more people buying your product off of Facebook and Instagram. So hopefully that helps you to understand how this AI feature within Facebook and Instagram ads work. I do speak about Facebook ads in more depth in the formula. So if you want to understand how to get your ads to effectively appear in Facebook and Instagram ads to your ideal customers, the people who are most likely to buy your products or buy your services, then make sure you read that section in the formula. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I'll leave a link to it somewhere on this screen and in the description down below. So go and grab your absolutely free copy. But if this video did help you out, then please click that like button down below. But until next time, have a great day. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you soon.